Hello everyone, welcome to Research Academy. This is the founder of Research. Let's start with the legal talk, where we're going to talk about the legal news, events and judgments and appointments. Now before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So let's start the legal talk. In the first legal talk, we're going to talk about Amulya Leona's case. Now I hope you already know who is Amulya Leona. Amulya Leona is basically charged with the sedition for raising the pro-Pakistani slogan and anti-Indian slogans in the anti-CAA rally in Bangalore. Now she was charged with the sedition. She was arrested. After that she got the bail because the charge was not filed within the given time period of 90 days, and then the petition came into picture, and the petition was filed due to the simple thing, the administrative loopholes that were there, due to which the charge sheet was not filed in the given time period, and that's why the case should be transferred to NIA for further investigation. In the second legal talk, we're going to talk about the low testing rate in Delhi. Now basically one petition has been filed in Delhi court regarding the Delhi governments are not meeting the targets. The targets of the rapid antigen test are 22,000, whereas the Delhi government is only doing the 7,040 around test every day, rapid antigen test, whereas the RT-PCR test only being done 7,000 around also. So total 14,000, whereas the only antigen test target is 20,000, which is not being made by Delhi government at all. And as you people know, Delhi situation is day by day is very alarming, and Delhi people are facing the real heat regarding the COVID-19 situation. Now in the third legal talk, we're going to talk about the Calcutta High Court basically slammed to an advocate for repeatedly applying for the bail application, and the court rejected the bail application several times and also punished the advocate for 50,000 rupees, and also said that whatever you are trying to do is actually sending wrong signals to the society and the other litigants, and that's actually undermining the trust on the court process. In the fourth legal talk, we are going to talk about a Delhi court finally grants bail to Safoora Zagrar. She was pregnant for 23 weeks and she was arrested in relation to Northeast Delhi riots case. Now basically Delhi court was rejecting her bail plea, and Delhi police also came up with a reply to the Delhi court that she must not be granted bail though she is pregnant. Delhi police said she is in direct link with the Northeast riot Delhi case, and any medical facilities that she needs due to her pregnancy, that will be provided to her in the custody. But finally, on the humanitarian grounds, Delhi court granted the bail. In the fifth legal talk, we are going to talk about the CBSE exam. Now, few months back, regarding the CBSE exam cancellation, petition has been filed by the several student and the parents of the students that the exam cannot be conducted in the month of July due to the increase in the numbers of COVID-19 cases. But Supreme Court is going to decide on that, and also in the petition they have prayed that the final exam marks should be based on the internal marks, so they can allot that too. Let's see what the Supreme Court is going to decide today. We're going to let you know tomorrow. In the next legal talk, we're going to talk about University Law College Bangalore student. They approach the Supreme Court and asking for doing away with all the clinical courses like Moot court experiences like internships only because of the COVID-19. And the students, they are basically asking, the BCI rules provides that there are compulsory clinical courses that have to be done within the curriculum, and that's why they had to do. But now the situation of COVID-19 are not letting them do these clinical courses like Moot court experiences and also the internships. So that's why they should do away with all these clinical courses. And regarding that, Karnataka High Court issued notice to the BCI and also to the University Law College, and side by side the state government to come up with a reply regarding this doing away with all the clinical courses. In the next legal talk, we're going to talk about the NLU Delhi Safai Karmachari saga. Now this saga is going on. Basically Delhi Labour Minister directed the NLU Delhi to reinstate all the Safai Karmacharis that they have terminated in the month of December, and after that NLU Delhi didn't follow the directives. Safai Karmacharis and one of the students, they were protesting. Police have detained. Police then released all those people, and NLU Delhi alumni came into the picture. They also condemned the NLU Delhi administration not following up the things, And then NLU Delhi gave the reply that those Safai Karmacharis were contractual, the contracts were not perpetual, so the contracts were terminated and there is no legal ground basically to get those people back right now if the NLU Delhi administration doesn't want them to back. And what the situation is going to unfold, we are going to update you in the coming weeks. In the next legal talk, we are going to talk about in the Karnataka High Court, petition has been filed that the compulsory using mask and the PPE kits and all those things that should be done away with also, but court didn't want to enter into this matter as the expert opinion is needed whether the mask is mandatory or PPE kit is mandatory or not. And court also saying the executives are really working hard to curb the COVID-19 situation. So any suggestion or any directives that have been made by the executives that should be followed to curb the COVID-19 spread, and also dismissing the petition. In the next legal talk, in the last legal talk, we are going to talk about the Bombay High Court also expressed the concern regarding the conducting of class 10 and 12th pending exams, because those exams are very crucial but how those exams will be conducted, that the Bombay High Court didn't have the answer, and we're going to update you regarding that. So these are the legal talks that we have for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we come up with legal talk every day and legal news, events and judgments. And also you can check out the CLAT PG and UGC Net law courses. Kindly go, and link is given below in the description. Kindly go and check it out. Thank you. See you soon tomorrow. Be there.